In this video we'll learn how to import a Minecraft character using MCPrep. So open up the sidebar, go to MCPrep, click on the mob spawner, click reload assets. This will load out all the assets. You can choose any character you want, but here I'm choosing a player. Then click spawn, simple player, or whichever character. Go to rendered mode and you can see the character with the armature, hide the armature, and you see the character there. Go to pose mode. First you've got to unhide the armature and select. Now you should be able to go to pose mode. Select any bone you like and move them around. Just like that. You can move it to any position you want and it will stay there till you change it. Watch this guy's leg go round and round. MCPrep has made it very easy to import Minecraft characters and use them in your animations. Anywhere you see a bone, you can rotate it or move it. Click on rest position to take you back to where it was.